So ngayon nag-snipe trading tayo. Snipe trading yan mga pre. Tingnan ninyo how to snipe. Shit lumaki-laki pa boy. Told you sa mga 7 minutes pero okay lang. Let's see. Tingnan ninyo how we snipe that.
Impact of goal setting technique and achievement and well-being of.
Tingnan ninyo how we snipe that. Tingnan ninyo how we snipe that. Boy, tingnan ninyo boy. Yan boy, tingnan mo boy. Sniper natin yan.
The impact of impact.
Tingnan mo boy. Yan, sniper natin yan.
Impact
Ayan.
of goal setting
Ayan na.
and
Ako'y
achievement
na.
and well-being of every Islamic student.
Boom! Sniper my boy. Sniper my
Impact of
boy.
goal setting techniques on
Sniper my
achievement
boy.
and well-being of goal setting techniques.
Dito boy. Dito na boy. Para sigurado boy. Dito na boy. Tingnan niyo kung paano mag-snipe ang isang sniper. Matagal pala boy. Baka sa maya boy. Maya update ko kayo.